A new drug for gout, named KRYSTEXXA, was the result of cooperation between the U.S. company Mountain View Pharmaceuticals Incorporated and its Israeli partner, Biotechnology General. Gout is a chronic arthritis that is expressed by an increase in the level of uric acid in the blood. About 1% of common gout patients are allergic to conventional therapies and develop chronic gout. They are often unable to continue normal life activities due to deposits of uric acid crystals in their joints. KRYSTEXXA has shown a dramatic healing effect in patients who are resistant to regular treatment and suffer chronic gout. Within 1 day of the first KRYSTEXXA infusion, the levels of uric acid in their blood were reduced to less than the normal level. About half of the patients continued to respond throughout the trials, during which most visible and painful evidence of gout disappeared.